from EKC Blue versus Ian Mortimore from Kim's Taekwondo Red. Please proceed to the inspection area now. Again, Bel Martinez from Maribeles Blue versus Edward Suarez from Agos Taekwondo Red. Christian Buka, EKC Blue versus Ian Mortimore from Kim Taekwondo Red. Please proceed to the inspection area now.
Graceful Boys Novice, Ace Velasco, the Ultra Montessori, Blue Armor versus Matt Brady of Kim's Taekwondo, Red Armor. Please proceed to the inspection area right now. Last call for Ace Velasco, the Ultra Blue Armor versus Matt Brady of Kim's Taekwondo, Red Armor. Please proceed to the inspection area right now. Julizer Romeo of YTBC, Blue Armor versus Stephen Daichoki, Choco of Kim's Taekwondo, Red Armor. Graceful Boys Advance, Jason the Queen MOD, Blue Armor versus Louis Manipon, PTTC, Red Armor. Jerwell Samonte, YTBC, Blue Armor versus Marvin J. Romero, YTBC, Red Armor. Okay, listen, for the final match, Eliza Samonte of YTBC, Blue Armor versus Gina May Gadin, MTBC, Red Armor. Again, for the final match for Juniors Women's Advanced Featherweight Division, Eliza Samonte, YTBC, Blue Armor versus Gina May Gadin of MTBC, Red Armor. Please proceed to the inspection area right now. Michelle Perez, JCAS, Blue Armor versus Patricia Ponce of YTBC, Red Armor. Last call for Diana Ortiza of Metro Subic. Diana Ortiza of Metro Subic, Blue Armor. Please proceed to the inspection area right now. Last call for Diana Ortiza